Okay. In continuation to the scaling, we will see time scaling for discrete time signals. Okay. So there is one important note that we need to understand for performing time scaling operation on discrete time signal. Okay. So what similar to the continuous time signal, what we will be doing for time scaling operations on discrete time signal. So for a given x of n, that is dt signal, if you want to find out the time scaled version of x of n, what we will be doing, we will be finding either x of a n or x of n by a, और here यहाँ पे मैंने directly 2 लिखा है, that was the example that I am supposed to take. So it is just a n by a. Okay. So these are the time scaling operations. Same like a n के हिसाब से ये compress होगा, n by a के हिसाब से output क्या आएगा, expanded आएगा. Okay. तो one important note related to the discrete time signal we need to understand here is, so during the compression, that is finding x of a n of x of n of discrete time signal, what we will be doing, we will have to consider only the integer samples. We need to consider only the integer samples. So even though when you are scaling down the signal, okay, because you are compressing with respect to x of a n, तो अगर कोई n का वैल्यू नॉन इंटीजर्स आएगा, ओके, सो लाइक रैशनल नंबर्स आएगा, सो दैट वैल्यूज वी नीड टू इग्नोर. Okay, that values we need to ignore. So it exists only for the integer valued sample. Okay, so ये example के हिसाब से आपको समझ में आएगा very clearly. So यहाँ पे x of n दिया है, x of n is being given here, and we need to find out x of 3n and x of n by 2, both the cases of compression and expansion. Okay, तो कैसे होता है देखते हैं. x of n कैसे दे दिया है, so it starts at -3 and ends at 4 here. Okay, so -3 पे 3 है, -3 है, so like that we have different amplitude values of from -3 to 4. Okay, then what is the first thing we need to do, we need to find out x of 3n. Okay, so substituting these values here. Okay, so y of n is equal to x of 3n. Okay, substitute y equal to 0 हम consider करेंगे तो x of 0 आएगा, x of 0 is 1, y of 1 के लिए x of 3 equal to -1, y of 2 is equal to x of 6 आएगा, that is 0 because at 6 it is 0, and y of -1 is nothing but x of -3, x of -3 is -3. Now you can say, if I want to look for all the values of x of x, okay, all the values of n for x, okay, so like x of n का मतलब हमने continuous time पे जैसे देखा था, we used to see all the values of t there, right? तो यहाँ पे हम ऐसा देखने जाएंगे तो what will be the values of n, ऐसा उल्टा जाएंगे तो you can see here, like if I want to find out what will be the y of n for x of 4, okay, तो x of 4 मैं यहाँ पे consider करूँगा तो what will be y of n, it is y of 4 by 3, right, 1.3 or something ऐसा आएगा. So we will not be taking those values there. Okay, 4 by 3, y of that value we will not be looking. Okay, that value we will not be looking. So that is why we are need to highlight here, saying we will be looking for only the integer samples. You can see here only 0, 1, 2, -1 exist. Beyond this y will be 0. So you can draw it, that is y of n, that is x of 3n here. You can see here in this graph. So at 0 it is 1, at -1 it is -3, at 1 it is -1, that's it. Okay, so this is a compression of the original signal. We will not be saying all the values of n here in the compressed signal, that is the major note. Okay, and now if you want to perform x of n by 2, okay, so x of n by 2 के लिए क्या करना है, same like start substituting the different values of n here. So यहाँ पे क्या होगा, we can see at this point we have to see for all the values of n of the x. Okay, तो x का all the values कहाँ से कहाँ है, x starts at -3 to 4, right? So for every values of x there is a y. Okay, so you can see here, okay, 0, 0.5, 1, 1.5 like that it exists for all the values of that. okay. तो अगर इसको हम ड्रॉ करेंगे तो कैसे होगा, वट एवर द वैल्यूज ऑफ x of 0 is there, that is y of 0 only, x of 0, y of 0. For y of 1 it is x of 0.5. I am not supposed to consider this one because there is no x of 0.5 because it is 0, y of 1 will be 0 only. So x of 1 कहाँ आएगा, x of 1 के लिए हमें y of 2 पे आएगा. okay, x of 1 कंसिडर करना है तो हमें y of 2 पे आएगा. तो y of 2 पे क्या है, x of 1 का वैल्यू क्या है 1 है, तो यहाँ पे 1 आएगा. सिमिलरली वी विल बी लुकिंग फॉर y of 4, उसके हिसाब से यहाँ पे x of 2 आएगा. x of 2 का वैल्यू क्या है -1 है, तो y of 4 पे -1 आएगा. x of 3 कहाँ है, x of 3 का वैल्यू -1 है, तो x of 3 के लिए y of 6 पे आएगा, तो y of 6 पे -1 आएगा. x of 4 दैट इज 1 हियर, तो उसके हिसाब से y of 8 पे जाएगा. So I am not considering the different values of y here, like y7 क्या होगा, y5 क्या होगा, because obviously we will be taking the rational number of x, okay, rational number, so it doesn't matter here, so you should not be taking those values. okay. Similarly we have to see for the negative side, so x exists for -1, -2, -3, correspondingly we will be having y of -2, y of -4 and y of -6. okay. So the values are same here, -3, 2, 1. okay. So now you can see this is the expanded signal of the x of n. So for all the values of x of n, your y of n exists, this is y of n, and it is been expanded, whatever the n values are there that is been doubled. okay. So because it is n by 2, अगर n by 3 रहता है तो multiplied by 3, okay, like that. So this is the simple example on time scaling operations. okay.